Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a special welcome if you're new. My name is Shelly and I am the owner and creator of the Vintage Hen and Chick. And in today's video, we are touring past and present home gallery in downtown Alexandria, Minnesota, where my booths are located. And I'm going to show off this beautiful store and some of the amazing vendors. And I'm also going to give you a little glimpse of my booth. So let's get started. From big items to small items, from very old to not so old, from very valuable to very affordable, there is literally something for everyone at Past and Present Home Gallery. There are 3 levels and over 13,000 square feet of floor to ceiling stuff, and it makes it a super fun destination just to visit and look around. If you're looking for antiques, used furniture, beautiful home furnishings, home decor, vintage collectibles, or other nostalgic and unique items, you can find it here. And men, there's also a very special place downstairs. It's called the Man Cave, and you don't want to miss it. There's so many beautiful pieces of furniture in the store, from old to new, from upcycled to antique and vintage. Lots and lots of beautiful pieces, something for everyone. And the vignettes in this store by the vendors and the owners are just beautiful. Everywhere you look around the store, there's just beautiful collections and pops of color, like this white curio cabinet full of blue glass. You know, the blue glass just pops beautifully off of the white of the curio cabinet, and you'll find this throughout the whole store. Just little nooks and crannies and vignettes everywhere, and beautiful designs and setups. You could literally spend an entire afternoon here. Like I mentioned before, there's 3 levels, just top to bottom, full of beautiful stuff and beautiful vendor setups. And I love this vendor setup here with the items hanging on the wall, and everything is just set up so beautifully and so nicely color coordinated. And one thing about past and present is the vendors at this store are all just very creative and top-notch individuals with pride in the way things look, and everybody's booth and area looks beautiful. Everything is curated nicely, laid out nicely, and just everything looks so nice and neat. And it's just a joy to spend a couple of hours on an afternoon just roaming through the store and enjoying all the beauty that it has to offer. At the store, I have 3 booth areas. This is my largest of the 3. And in this area, I have all sorts of stuff. I have antique rare glassware. I have vintage items. I have new items. I have upcycled furniture pieces. And if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you probably spot some of the projects that I've done on my videos. So when I do a video, the projects, most of them come here to the store. And this is where I just have kind of a whole collection of different things. This is also the area where I carry all of my supplies. I carry the Dixie Belle chalk paint and the Dixie Belle silk paint. You will find those back here, as well as Sweet Pickens milk paint, IOD line, which includes transfers and paint inlays and molds and clay and ink. And here you'll see my Dixie Belle chalk and silk paint is all on these walls over here, along with the Sweet Pickens milk paint. And as we go around my booth area, we will come upon the IOD line, which is on the other side of this space, all hanging on the wall, easy to get to. So this is one of my favorite booths in my store. Like I said, I have 3. I have this one on the main level, and then I have 2 on the lower level, and we will be touring those later on in this video. In this part of my booth is where I have all of my IOD items displayed. I carry transfers, paint inlays, stamps, molds, ink and clay, something for everyone, and you'll find that all on this side of my booth. I also do carry some decoupage paper, plus I carry Connie Lines and Designs rice paper, and you'll find that all on this side of my booth. There are so many beautiful pieces of furniture in this store. Every style, every color, it'll fit everybody's taste. There's literally something for everyone. This is just a small glimpse of the lower level of the store. There are many talented vendors down here as well, and beautiful items, beautiful vignettes, and just an array of amazing pieces everywhere you look. Now, this is just a little sneak peek of my two booths that are on the lower level. And down here, I have also an array of things. I have rolling pins, I have milk glass, we have vintage glass, I have my flannel dip shirts down here, t-shirts, stickers, crock charms, something for everyone in this space as well. It's a little bit different down here. I don't keep any of my DIY items down here. Those are all up on the main level, but a lot of beautiful items down here as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you've enjoyed my little tour of past and present home gallery and where my booths are located. I'll be back next week with another project video, and I hope to see you then. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.